Welcome back to another episode of the Tiny House Master Plan. I still can't believe that we're giving a tiny house away. The last half a year has been an absolute whirlwind. Let's recap. First, we got a trailer. We got that trailer from Oasis Trailer Manufacturing. Went down to southern Alberta, picked up this state-of-the-art amazing 33-foot long gooseneck meant to have a tiny house built on top of it. It also had Timbren silent ride suspension systems, which are a phenomenal system for taking vibration out of the road and lowering your center of gravity. Second, we had Wall Effects come in and do the metal framing for the tiny house, and it looks absolutely stunning. Now we were ready for put up our insulated zip panels, which are provided from Huber engineered woods. Now this was quite a process of using metal screws to put these into the framing, but also all the taping that went into it and all of the cutting, because there were so many angles in that roof line that we have, and all those windows as well. But now we have an insulated sheathing product, so the house is going to have a nice internal temperature. I even had my girlfriend and some of her family come and help out. So many thanks to all the people who helped up to this point. Next, we went and picked up plywood and OSB from Moen Lumber, who generously provided us what we needed. We then took that plywood up onto the roof, screwed it down before putting the zip panels on top of that. After installing that plywood and then zip panels on the roof, we then put a water and ice membrane. We used a product called Blueskin, provided to us by Unicon, so that the roof is completely watertight. The house is starting to look pretty cool now, but the step that really made it for me was installing our windows and our doors. These will really transform the space and allow you to see it as a home. Now you can go in that front door on the side of the house. And Duxton Windows is actually the company that provided us with our state-of-the-art windows and door. In terms of finishing the exterior, we're now just waiting on our siding order, which is coming still yet. We're using two fantastic aluminum products, Quick Panel and Fast Plank. After those are installed, we actually already have a standing seam metal roof provided by Monarch Exterior Centers, just waiting for us to install it. Can't wait to show you what that's going to look like. The other thing that I did do actually was installed diamond plate provided by Metal Supermarkets. So this is a very tough exterior on the front face of the house. And this way rocks spitting up from the towing vehicle don't scratch our gorgeous siding. So we kind of provided it looks kind of like a bullet now, the house actually. After I installed the diamond plate, then it was time to send this tiny house off to Calgary to our sponsor, Zero Squared. They're one of North America's premium tiny house building companies, and they are actually engineering a stage wall that folds down out of the exterior of the house. So basically you have this bedroom office on the back of the house, and the whole back wall opens up so you can walk out onto it. It's a stage. Huge thanks to Rockbusters Oilfield Performance for hot-shotting the tiny house, taking it from our amazing shop sponsor, Electric Horsepower, and all the way to Calgary to Zero Squared. As I told you, it's been a whirlwind. The last half a year has been insane, getting all of these sponsors together and using these teams of students and all sorts of tradespeople to get this house to its current state and carry it through to completion. I want to thank you actually for being here along with that journey. Make sure to go and watch all the other episodes that got us to this point. And really, this is just the beginning. Now we get to go inside the house into season 2. And we are going to be doing this interior and all of the utilities. I have so many amazing tradespeople to share with you, their wisdom, and how do you do the inside guts of a tiny house. We also look forward to showing you all the tiny house products that we're choosing to go inside the house. You'll have noticed that in the previous episodes of the show, we did mix in some tours. We went and checked out other people's tiny homes. I think that's good for showing off how other people are using these, how they design them, and we're going to keep doing that because the audience requested it. Let me know what you think of the show so far, what you'd like to see more of, put them in the comments down below. And if you would like to win this tiny house that we're building, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube and fill out the contest form on the website at thetinyhousemasterplan.com. I'll put all the information in the comments or down below and in the description also of the video. Now, as I have been kind of saying, season 2, what does that mean? It means we're almost done season 1. In fact, this is the second last episode. We've gotten the shell almost complete, and now I'm taking off on a teaching tour across Canada to teach people how to design and build a tiny house. So the house is in Calgary, it's in good hands, I'm taking off, and in September, we actually have a brand new team of NAIT students who are going to be joining me on the show to help carry season through finish to completion. Make sure to follow along on this incredible journey as we show you how to build a state-of-the-art tiny house, take it on a tour of a lifetime, and then give it away. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next episode of the Tiny House Master Plan.